Why do men over 30 feel weaker, softer, and more tired despite working out and eating better? For many, it's not just about hitting the gym or counting calories. It's the frustration of feeling drained, watching stubborn fat cling on, and struggling to keep up with younger friends. The real issue? It's not what you think. Excess estrogen builds up silently, blocking testosterone from doing its job. This imbalance slows fat loss, reduces muscle definition, and crushes confidence. Many men try supplements or diets, but those solutions often miss the mark. They don't tackle the real root cause and can even make things worse. But there's a better way. Introducing DIM3X, an all-natural estrogen metabolizer designed specifically for men. Mark R, 41, said, "After a few weeks on DIM3X, I felt leaner, more energized, and my workouts actually started paying off again." Jason L, 38, added, "I didn't change my routine, just added DIM3X. Less bloating, better focus, and I finally feel like myself again." With DIM3X, men can safely reduce active estrogen levels, support better hormonal balance, and achieve a leaner physique. Imagine feeling energized, confident, and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Click the link below to discover how we achieve peak performance and confidence by correcting hormonal imbalances with DIM3X.